Hi everyone, I'm really excited. There's a new magazine that's out in India. It's actually India's only ever second vegan magazine. We've got the first copy here. It's really exciting to see everything that's in here. Unfortunately, baby Ilan is trying to eat it. It's called Compassion. It's a resource guide, basically trying to show people who are interested in going vegan on how to be vegan and actually how easy it is. Super excited also to see an article that's featured on me and baby Ilan, and it's about raising my child vegan. So that's there, it's on page 19 if anybody wants to read it. So this is amazing, this is fantastic for India. India, the ethos of Indians, ahimsa, living compassionately, you know, the only way to do that is in this day and age to go vegan, and this is an amazing resource guide, an amazing starter kit. Have a read, donate, it's done on donation, so if you can, please donate. Look up Vatsal Nathwani, look up Dr. Rupa Shah, they're on Facebook, donate to them. We need to spread the message here. Super excited guys, thank you for sending me my copy of the Compassion magazine.